everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to Zoom and watch Netflix together. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by sharing your screen via Zoom. Open your Zoom application and as soon as you're signed into your Zoom, click on Share Screen, meeting ID in the text box and click on Share Screen. If you want to start a new meeting and share your screen, you can click on the New Meeting tab and click on Join with Computer Audio. And now, from the bottom of the screen, click on Share Screen. Now, on the next tab, choose the screen that you'd like to share. And finally, click on Share. And now, you can easily watch and enjoy Netflix together on Zoom. Your screen is being recorded and being shared to your friends. If you'd like to stop sharing, click on the Stop Share option at the top of the screen. That is how you can easily Zoom on Netflix. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.